inside the stove.
The house owners at the bottom, they've cut this cliff without getting any approval from Town and Country Planning or from Nasinu Town Council. So they've just cut it, which is not allowed, it's illegal, and that has caused all these problems. So they have actually put the family at risk, and that's altogether
9 people from our side.
just to find out.